We are bullish. Urgent real-time Bitcoin forecast. I told you that we would not hit this red line. We were supposed to. That would be the technical target, except we would not hit this red line using this particular inverse head and shoulders setup, and we didn't. We went up. We tried to trick and fake out, but now instead what we've done is 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 3. Perfect touches on this descending. But look at this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 perfect touches and a rejection under this blue line. This blue line is what really counts. We went above the blue line, we went under the blue line, got rejected under. We went over the blue line, got rejected over. Now we're under both the blue and the yellow lines, meaning the US dollar is going to continue to fall. And look at that. We've got a perfect inverse head and shoulders setup with multiple confirmations. 1, 2, 3 bounces, and then finally we're on top of the blue line. And we're over all resistances right now. Doesn't mean we're not going to come back down and retest the inside of this triangle. So what does that mean for Bitcoin and crypto? These are the, this is Bitcoin. These are the relevant lines. What's happening right now is that we got rejected over this blue line once on Bitcoin. And that was, this price was, I can't see it because of my camera, 16485. We got rejected over, now we're retesting it. We should dip a little bit once the initial frenzy wears off. We should dip a little bit, but what we're looking for is long leverage, high leverage longs, so that we can make the most amount of money on this. We're looking for anywhere from 20 to 30x longs. If we can get this, if we can get the bottom, the retrace down perfectly within a 2 or 3% margin of error, then we're looking golden for massive high leverage long. That's on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, Ethereum's the same thing. Ethereum, we're doing a double top right now on all this frenzy. I'm expecting the Fed to step in. And where's the price on this? I'm expecting the Fed to step in and say something stupid and bearish, like, "Oh, we're going to keep raising interest rates, and we've got a long ways to go," and so on. So don't worry about that. Actually, what did I just say? I was reading a private message from a client. So if the Fed steps in and says something stupid about, "We've got a long ways to go, we're going to raise interest rates more," and all that, this thing's going to drop almost all the way back down to the bottom. But that's okay, because it's going to keep pumping. We cannot resist pumping because of the fact that we've already got this done. Let me draw this in for you. Bam. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That's an inverse head and shoulders on the world stock markets in America. So that's going to give all the money for all the speculators and all the VCs to pour back money into Bitcoin and mostly Ethereum. And Matic is going to be really bullish, and so is TrueBit, but yeah, that's neither here nor there. You know what you need to do? You need to join me at bitcoin-fund-manager.com. If you've got over 5 Bitcoin, we'll trade it for you, so you don't have to stay awake 24 hours a day following our signals, which, by the way, you can get 24 hours a day, where we tell you what to buy, what to sell, when, what levers to use, when to short, when to long, and why. We'll tell you which coins to long short. We'll tell you which stocks to long short. That's at bitcoin-signals.org. Get rich. Join us, and you'll see a huge difference. It'll make you even richer.